Hey guys, I'm back with this beautiful brown sugar pineapple glazed ham. Y'all, with the holidays right around the corner, this will make a beautiful addition to your holiday menu. This recipe was super easy, super delicious, and everyone is going to love it. Without further ado, let's jump right in. For today's ingredients, I'm going to use a 10-pound ham, 2.5 cups of pineapple juice. I'm going to reserve a half a cup of the pineapple juice for the brown sugar glaze. Then I have brown sugar, cherries, cayenne pepper, ground cinnamon, ground cloves, yellow mustard, and pineapple slices. I will have all the exact measurements in the description box below. In a small mixing bowl, I'm going to add in the brown sugar, the ground cloves, the ground cinnamon, and the cayenne pepper. I'm going to give it a nice mix to make sure that everything is well combined. Then I'm going to add in the reserved pineapple juice, and I'm going to mix that until everything is well blended. After that, I'm going to add in the mustard. I'm using yellow mustard, but you can use any mustard of your choice. If you want to use some Dijon mustard or stone ground, that will work too. I'm going to give that a nice mix to make sure everything is well incorporated. I'm going to set that aside while I work on the ham. I'm going to place the ham in a 9x13 baking dish. I'm going to pour in 2 cups of pineapple juice. Now, if you don't want to use pineapple juice, you can use water. Then cover it with foil and bake in a preheated oven for 1 hour at 350 degrees. After 1 hour, remove the ham and place in a separate baking pan. Score the ham in a cross-hatch pattern and give it a generous coating of the brown sugar glaze. Make sure to add enough glaze to get in the crevices of the ham. You want all that flavor to be locked in. Add the sliced pineapples over all the surface of the ham. Add the cherries in the center of each ring and secure the cherries with a toothpick. Add another generous coating of the glaze and bake at 400 degrees, glazing every 15 minutes for 1 hour. After 30 minutes, add a splash of pineapple juice and continue basting. And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you try it, please let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget guys to like and subscribe. Until next time.